Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add or set up email on your iPhone. So if you don't know how to add an email on your iPhone or how to set up a new email, just follow these instructions. So the first one, just go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and what you need to do is just need to go over here on the apps. Now from here, you have to search for Mail app. Just search for Mail app over here. And right now, you can select which one you want, either Gmail or your mail. So I'm going to select the mail first over here. And now from here, what you need to do is just need to tap on the mail account. And now there is an option called add account. Tap on this one. Now from here, you can select which one is you need. For example, if you're on the Google, you can sign in with the Google. Just tap on the Google and give all the credentials. If you're on the Yahoo, you can go for it. Or if you're on the Outlook.com, you can go for it as well. So if you want to just tap over here in the Google, and right now you can give all the details over here. Give all the details like your email ID and just go for the next and go for the password. And that is how you can add your email ID on your iPhone. So that's all you have to do. And also, I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.